Hi, welcome to Derp Engineering. I got here a truss design that I've been working on to make it lightweight and easy to print and very strong. So one section weighs about 49 grams. Here's this is that 8 grams, 7.8 grams for just the one piece. It uses a dovetail method of joining. So this way you can print it with the length going this way, and then this piece here going up, and then there's a dovetail in here, if you can see that little upside down trapezoid, which the corresponding piece is here. Actually, that's the shape there, that's the profile that matches that. Well, maybe more like that. So once you put these pieces together, and they're alternating too, so it's like there's a connection piece here, connection piece here. So, quick video on that.